Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, yesterday I was able to catch this nice trade, and then I thought I will make a video of it so you guys can do the same. So at the moment guys, I'm doing 25k challenge in phase 2, and then I'll show you this details as well, because I'm using this exactly same strategy now to do my challenges, because I have failed like so many challenges, and I just want to now be a good trader, and then follow a systematic way to approach my trading, so then I can minimize emotional trading to the lowest level. So if you are also struggling, and if you're trying your best to pass a prop firm challenge, I highly recommend you to backtest the strategy, and then so then you will be actually confidence in your strategy, because you have seen the data, and try your best to approach the market in a systematic way, so you don't have to think because this thing move up and down, we really actually don't know, anything can happen. So I think it took me like long time to understand this, but I think the sooner we understand, so we can be better traders. So guys, I'll show you exactly how I'm able to catch this trade. So in order to happen this trade, you need to make sure this is happening exactly at New York 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this is what we call silver bullet trade. And this strategy, I need to tell you guys, this is not like something I found. I learned this strategy from ICT, and I will put his link in the description as well, so you guys always can learn from the best. So guys, so in order to silver bullet New York AM session to happen, it need to be at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time, and then I will put right in here the time should be time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time, and then we need a liquidity grab and break of structure. Okay, that's better. So in order this trade to happen, we need all these need to be ticked. So it need to be happen 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and also we need to see a liquidity grab and the break of structure with FVG. That's all you need to do. So if you follow this every single day at this time, right, and if you don't mess up, if you enter into trade after this time slot is passed, you'll be fine. And I'll show you guys exactly why I mean by that. Because in here I'll show you guys my 25k challenge. So this is the challenge that I able to pass the first challenge, and then I got I wanted to pass the phase 2, and emotional I don't know what happened to me, and then I messed up this phase 2, and then I was so in hurry, and then I failed another challenge. So somehow I had to slow myself down, and then get back to the strategy. And then because sometimes what I found is just sometimes I've been on the correct lane, and then I'm so disciplined for few days, and all of a sudden if something happened, and then I'm just going back to that hole again. So that's what I don't want to do. And so this is the challenge I able to pass. So you guys can see this strategy made me really nice trading profits, and then I didn't have any red days in here, so I was able to manage the pass the trade challenge within 4 days. And then right now I'm in phase 2 25k challenge. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm up 1.22 something, and then this is the $904 trade that I was able to catch with EU. All right, so now getting back to the chart, right, what we see here, this is the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. slot, and then this is the high created right before the 10 a.m. and then look what exactly happened. If I just zoom in at 10 a.m. price actually took that high and then start like breaking the structure to the downside with a fair value gap. Look here, so you guys can see here the price actually took right that liquidity, all that liquidity, and then break the structure below with a fair value gap. So this would have been the perfect entry point, but like I didn't want to, because sometimes like even though it's performing like this, we just like one pip, and my stop loss was like already less than 10 pips, so I didn't actually care, and then I just went straight 1 to 2. So that's what I always do. It doesn't matter, like my yesterday I was just like thinking, because we breaking the structure like to the downside, and then we would have go all the way to the down, because I saw like it's equal low liquidity right below here, right? So that's what exactly happened. But I'm not like mad or anything. I'm not gonna be greedy. I just follow my plan. So that's it. And then I'll show you guys something else that I started. So these all the trades that I took in these challenges. And guys, I will tell you right now, if you are not like journaling your trades, you are doing a big mistake. And it took me like so long, like it took me like almost 2.5 years, 3 years to understand, like we can't go to this market and then treat this thing as a hobby. Like I was just, it's not gonna work, because we competing against like central bank and all these big people, and then we are actually nothing. So if we don't have like proper systematic way, I think we will just keep losing, keep learning until the end, like 90% of the traders. So if you want to like take trading to the next level, I highly recommend you to start journaling. Whether you can buy a software like this, or you can use just like notepad or maybe Excel, I don't know, whatever that works for you. So you guys can see I actually made like good profits from these silver bullet trading sessions, and I'll make another video about this software, about TraderSync, and then what I think about it as well. So guys, that's all for today, and then I hope like you guys actually got something out of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.